Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to organically grow your YouTube channel and get to the target of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube. Before we can continue with this video, you will need those two requirements. If you do not have one or the other, you cannot follow this tutorial. You will have to pause the video, get the computer, get an account before we can move on to the next step. And so let's now go all the way onto the dock, go to Safari. Let's go to YouTube Studio. Click on this, make sure you are signed into the account, and now we can see on screen the dashboard. You can see my subscriber count 1,182. Let's go to YouTube Analytics and let's just click on the last 365 days. As you can see, the watch time is 10,000. You require 4,000 before you are eligible to become a YouTube partner. And in terms of subscribers, let's just click on see live count to see where this channel was before I was able to apply to become a partner. So let's now just go to lifetime, see live count. I think something's wrong with the back end of YouTube, which is why I see my subscribers taking a decrease, or they're currently working on bringing it back to how it should be. So let's just click on lifetime, and then when did I get to 1,000 subscribers? This year. So on the 1st of July, it was the account that surpassed the requirement of subscribers. And let's go back 1 year. And so I was on 194. In a year's time, my subscriptions increased by 5 times. So it really does take some time before we can start rolling the ball and move forward in terms of becoming a YouTube partner. So you require 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, public hours. And so how can I organically grow my page? Well, you have to have a fixed schedule. You require time. You need to make videos almost every week. I had a schedule where I was recording videos on a regular basis, schedule uploading, and then I found myself not having to do work for a month because it was being done for myself. Fixed schedule, you can record 10 videos a day, and then you do not have to sit at a computer for 10 days. The videos will be uploaded, made live themselves as they are already on the channel as unlisted or scheduled upload. So that cuts out the workflow for yourself. Once that's at a level you require, you can then choose to progress further, look at the view count, look at your subscribers, and see what's next, and just continue doing what's best for yourself. Before you know it, you will become a YouTube partner. You can then acquire more features to take your channel to the next step. As you can see, it has taken me almost 2.5 years to get there. Like the day I started this channel, I did not know how long it would take to become or even acquire the correct statistical data as 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch time. And so here we are in July 2021, and let's just go back to YouTube Analytics. 1,182 subscribers. Let's go to lifetime, 7,000 or 774,000 views, 13,000 hours of watch time. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.